This phone is phone called Dodge model S41. I'm going now to remove I'll go to do factory reset on this phone. But before to do factory reset, I must remove the Gmail account first. So what I must do, I must start to go to the setting. I'm going to the settings. When I'm in settings, I'm going to the password and account. This is the account is inside here. Okay, I can click on account. I click on account. It asks me remove account. If I'm doing remove account, the account will be automatically removed. After remove this account, I'm going back, but I don't want to remove it because it's mine. I don't want to remove it. It's mine, and then I know the password. But if you know, before to do factory reset for any phone, you know the email address is inside. You don't know the email address is from who, or the password. If you don't know nothing about the password for that email address, please don't do factory reset on your phone without delete this email address. You must delete first this email address. If I click on remove account, the email address will going to be removed. So I'm going back because I don't want to remove it. I'm going back. I scroll down. Let me see. Okay, I go back again. Okay, yeah. I scroll down. I go to where they write let's see. I'm going up again where they write set system. I click on it. Okay, you can see down here is a reset option. I'm going to the reset option. Okay, you see they say you reset. They say here reset Wi-Fi, reset app preferences. Okay, you reset erase all factory reset. I can see factory reset here. If I click the factory reset, erase all data. If I do erase all data, they ask me to confirm. If I do erase all data, automatically the phone will be going to delete everything. The phone will be going to be factory reset, and then you lose all the information. You see, they tell you here all your information, all your personal information and download apps will be deleted. All your personal information and download app will be deleted. You can't handle this action, so it means everything on your phone will be going to be deleted. Okay, so that is the way to do the factory reset on your phone. Firstly, you must remember, you must delete first the email account which is inside, the Gmail account which is inside, in case if you don't know the password. After that, you are going to the system. After system, you go to the factory reset for the reset option. After reset option, you do what you call erase all data. When you do erase all data and you confirm, automatically your phone will be going to restart. When it restart, it means it will start the processes for everything, to delete everything on your phone. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel Tech Skills Base.